Hi, I'm James Bergum. I've worked for Walbec Group for 6 years. I'm currently a shop mechanic in the crane shop. I started out as a field service mechanic for the crane shop, and I'm going through the Future Foreman training program. So my journey started out at the age of 21 as a wash bay guy, pressure washing machines to clean them. I worked my way up to doing minor oil changes and services, and as I progressed through my career, I got into the more technical aspects of the machines, getting into complex diagnostics of electrical and hydraulic systems. And now that brought me to the Walbec Group, where my career has advanced even further into hopefully becoming a shop foreman as I go through the Future Foreman training program. What makes Walbec different is just the large scope of things in which we work on. I work on way more different types of equipment here than I did in previous jobs. I was primarily a crane mechanic. I've worked on everything from concrete cutters to jackhammers to pile hammers to excavators, skid loaders, front end loaders. Typical day for me is actually atypical. I can be doing anything from turning a wrench to electrical diagnosis to hydraulic repair to running the shop and filling in for the other foreman as a sub-foreman. Things I love about my job are the variety of tasks that I get to do. No 2 days are the same, and I really enjoy the group of guys that I work with. What motivates me to do the hard work that we do is knowing that what we do makes a difference. I also really enjoy the mentoring aspect of the job. As a more senior mechanic, I enjoy teaching tricks of the trade to the younger guys coming in. One of the coolest projects I ever worked on was setting up a crane to do a bridge restoration in downtown Milwaukee near the lakefront. The bridge was over 100 years old, and they had to do a lot of meticulous care and planning to match the new parts of the bridge to the old parts of the bridge so that it looked like one when it was done. What makes me proud to work at Walbec is knowing that every single day when I come to work, what I do makes a difference. As a company, we put together the infrastructure that gets people to all the important places they need to be.